I'd say, parents, let your kid explore. Let your kid get out there and do something. You know, you can pay now or pay later. Either way, you're paying. And if you give your kid an opportunity to do something and to pursue their dreams and to encourage them to pursue their dreams, and if their kid fails, they learn from that. Go out there and give it a shot. You know, you want your kid to live in your basement paying off $100,000 of debt, or do you want your kid out there making a living and making a difference? Four-year colleges is not the answer for everybody. You know, technical schools, internships, getting kids out there and using their skills to the best of their ability, and teaching kids to be adaptable, teaching kids to be able to overcome struggle and, you know, learn from failure. It's not all about college, it's about living and chasing your dreams and succeeding at the things that you love. And that's how you need to counsel kids.